Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I found the most amazing LED light strip that you can use indoors or outdoors. You can use it to highlight a special feature in your room or use it around your pool, deck, or garden. I decided to put it in my son's room and he absolutely loves it. He can sync it to his music and choose many different options with the remote control. You can also design different shapes for a specific theme. The remote control offers so many different options, and you can also download an app to control it with your phone. We also like that you're able to cut it, so you can make it into the perfect shape that you need or the perfect size for any wall. This was very easy to install. We simply decided where we wanted to hang it, cleaned the wall, and hung the clips. And the rope light fit very easy into all the clips. We were very impressed with how easy this was, and we were also impressed with how well it went around corners and curves. Thinking of all the different options we could use this for, I would love to put it around my trampoline so that my kids could jump at night, or because it's waterproof, I could put it around my pool. So if you're ready to add a little pizzazz to your bedroom, office, garden, or porch, then check out these lights from MMEEVT.
And that's my point of view.